Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back another buying $1 Bitcoin everyday update. Today is day number 529. Okay, so here we are on Cash App. This is the app that I use to purchase $1 Bitcoin every single day. If you're unfamiliar with Cash App, go ahead and check out the other videos on my channel. There's hundreds of tutorials to learn how to use it. Also, if you sign up using my link in the description, you can get $5 for free. Let's go ahead and hop to the investment section. We've got stocks and Bitcoin. We want to be on Bitcoin, and it looks like Bitcoin is still going sideways. This has been the theme for like a month straight. Currently at $9,146. About dead even on the day, even on the week, down 3% on the month, 12% on the year. And here's the all-time chart. You can see here towards the end of it, just pretty much going sideways and consolidating for a while now. I personally think things are looking positive for Bitcoin. There's definitely a lot of buzz about altcoins right now, or tokens that aren't Bitcoin. But I'm just gonna keep doing my thing, keep dollar cost averaging. Last week we broke 0.07 Bitcoin, as you can see there on the bottom. So let's go ahead and tap buy, type in our $7 for the week, tap next, scan my fingerprint. It's going to give us our order details. There's still a 3% fee, but you got to do what you got to do. Tap confirm. And just like that, we purchased 0.0007 Bitcoin. So I've added a little more Bitcoin there. Just going to continue doing $1 per day with this experiment and see how it pans out over a long period of time. Let's go ahead and do the math so far. So we've got $648 divided by 529 days equals a 1.22x on our investment. So this has been pretty consistent over the last month or so. It's still really good in my opinion. You know, I'm not trading or anything like that. I'm just investing $1 per day throughout this consolidation period. And if you do the math on that, I'm up about $120. I know a lot of people ask about profit and stuff like that. I'm not taking any profits. I'm holding this long term. I'm looking for one Bitcoin to be worth over $100,000. This is a very scarce asset, only 21 million Bitcoins ever. So even to own 0.01 of a Bitcoin or 0.1 Bitcoin or even 1 Bitcoin, there's only 21 million of them. So that's why I'm into it, just here for the ride to see what happens. Gonna keep dollar cost averaging. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past.